Hello, welcome. I'm Wilberforce, and in today's edition, we'll be looking at conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that joins two or more words, phrases, or even clauses. So we are saying that a conjunction, it's one word or two words, can be two words, but what they do is they conjoin or join two words together. The words can be one word and the other, or they can join group of words, that is phrases, together, or they can even join clauses. It can be a main clause, that is a full sentence, so you can join two full sentences together, or it can join just a part of a sentence and to a main sentence. Good. So let's look at examples of conjunctions. Example, we have yet, both, because, etc., etc. Okay, so as we go on, we will see how conjunction joins words, phrases, and even clauses. Okay, so let's now look at the types of conjunctions. We have basically three types of conjunctions. We have correlating conjunction, the second is the coordinating conjunction, and then the third is the subordinating conjunction. Okay, so the three types are the correlating conjunction, coordinating conjunction, and then the subordinating conjunction. Let us now look at them one after the other. So with correlating conjunctions, they work in pairs to join words and group of words of equal weight in a sentence. Now we are saying of equal weight because when the word or when a word is in the plural form, you are supposed to join it with another word which is also in the plural form. So that is, we don't want one to be, or when we are looking at correlating conjunction, one word should not be plural and another should be, let's say, singular. Or for instance, I say these and then I can't say and this. So they should always be of equal weight. Great. So let us now look at examples of such words. So we said they work in pairs. Great. So examples, there are basically 7 types or examples of correlating conjunction. Remember we said with minor word classes, they have a closed word class, and so we can know the number of words in them. And so I can say that there are only 7 examples of correlating conjunctions. So we can have example 1. Neither nor. So these 3 dots means that there are words that come in between them. So we are saying that though they work in pairs, but certain words come in between them so that they can work effectively. Example 2. Either or both and whether or not only but also. So this also is in brackets because sometimes we don't use, when we are using not only, sometimes we don't need the also, but at other times we need the also, and that is why it is in brackets. Just as 1, 2, 3. So okay, so these are the 6 examples of correlating conjunctions: neither, nor, either, or, both, and whether, or, not only, but also. just as, so. Okay, so let us now pick 3 of them and then use them in sentences so that we see how they work. Example 1. Just as many students hate exams, so many teachers hate marking. Just as many students hate exams, so many teachers hate marking. So over here we see the correlating conjunctions just as and so being used. So they are saying that as students hate exams, teachers also hate marking. So over here we are seeing that these words are being conjoined. Many students hate exams is a sentence on its own. Many students hate exams. So we can say it is a clause. It is added to many teachers hate marking. And so just as and so has been or have been used to join the words many students hate exams and many teachers hate marking. Example 2. Neither the boys nor the girls are allowed to sit. So the words used are neither nor. So we are saying that neither of these two, the boys and the girls, are allowed to sit. So we are seeing that the words the boys and these long sentences, the girls are allowed to sit, are being added or they are being joined by the words neither nor. Third example. Whether it rains or not, Black Stars will play today. So the words used are whether and or whether or. And as we have been saying, the words whether or has been used to join it rains, not Black Stars will play today. Okay, so the next type of conjunction is referred to as the coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction. Okay, so coordinating conjunction is the next type of conjunction we would look at, or we have to look at. Now, what coordinating conjunction do is they coordinate 2 or more words or main clauses. The coordinate means they join, so they join 2 or more words or clauses together. So, examples. Under coordinating conjunctions, there are 7 examples. So there are 6 in correlating conjunctions and there are 7 in coordinating conjunctions. Okay, so the 7 examples of coordinating conjunctions: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Okay, so let us see them in sentence. She will not eat or drink. She would not eat or drink water. So all over here is used to join she would not eat and drink water. You should note that she would not eat can be a sentence. In fact, it is a sentence on its own. And then it is joined to the words drink water. Example 2. I am for peace. So over here, the example used is or. Example 2. I am for peace, but when I speak, they are for war. The examples used are for and but. Great. Okay, so the third and last type of conjunction is what we call the subordinate conjunction. The subordinate conjunction joins main and subordinate clauses. Okay, so we've not actually looked at clauses, but when we get there, we would know what they really are. The subordinating conjunction also introduces adverbial clauses. We've also not gotten to clauses, but adverbial clauses, they usually begin with because, after, and so on and so forth. And these words are also examples of subordinating conjunctions. Okay, so examples of the subordinating conjunctions are because, after, even, if, even though, although, etc. Okay, examples in sentences. They are here because I asked them to come. So the word because is used here to join they are here and I asked them to come. So the conjunction used here is a subordinating conjunction. It is used to join main clauses. So we see the main clause, they are here and I asked them to come. So I asked them to come is a main clause, and they are here is also a main clause. Example 2. He has been coming to church although he has relocated. So the word used here, although, is an example of a subordinating conjunction. Example 3. I still love him even though he doesn't. Even though. Great. So this brings us to the end of conjunctions. Let's stay tuned for more exciting lessons. Thank you.